Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and in today's Slingshot to Better Health in 60 Seconds, things I would never do, number 5, and that's using it'd be called antipyretic or something to bring down a fever, specifically a mild fever. So think Tylenol, think ibuprofen, and 103, 104 is not what we're talking about. We're talking about a mild viral fever, 99, 101. Here's the thing that always floors me. The immune system is what kicks it up, the temperature. And we're like, screw that. The human body doesn't know what it's doing. Let's give it a drug to bring down the fever. Lots of evidence, or at least enough evidence for me to be convinced that that actually extends viral infections and creates more of a problem, allows those infections to get deeper and create more problems and being harder to get rid of. I typically go the opposite direction. I'm going to do my short burst to get my body temperature up, sauna, sit out in the sun.